Alright. Faster! Faster!
We're on a roller coaster.
Go!
You have to go the other way because it's sloping up this way. Okay, here we go, here we go. Oh, my ass.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, my. Jesus Christ. Almost fell out.
I thought you were like getting up.
Grant, you get it now, I'll push. Ow.
Oh, wow.
Ow! Fucker!
Oh, no, wait. It's better.
Fit there, yo.
No, you can just sit on there. Yeah, it's more comfortable.
Oh my God, I'm not going now.
Stand.
No!
Come on.
Why not?
I can stand right there.
Come on.
That was totally straight.
That's really hot.
Yeah, it's really sexy. It's a turn on, so.
Sit somewhere.
Oh, here. Okay, I'll just sit on there. Hold on to the camera. That's cool.
You want me to get in?
Recording.
No, I want you to freaking not get in.
Okay. All right.
Funny.
Okay. Here.
I'm probably not going to be able to
Get up
push
for a
this.
sec. Okay. Okay.
Oh, here we go.
Okay.
Yeah, this is really straight. I'm really comfortable right now. I really am.
Hi, Grant. Oh my God.
Okay, go.
I can't even record you. I can't record you. I hope I see you. I'm just recording the pavement. Oh my God. Say hi to the camera. What?
What's up, bitch?
There you go. I know, it's really heavy, right?
It is. I can't.
Faster!
Okay.
Faster! We need Merc.
Next
Strong.
Wait, watch out the car, dude.
Oh God.
Yo, my cock. Okay, thank God I protected my cock.
Do you want me to stop recording or keep recording?